Hey guys, okay, today we are, oh, there it is. I'm at the wrong spot. There it is. Juicy Seafood. Yum, yum. For some reason, I think this is going to be a buffet. I have no idea. So we're going to check it out. I'm with my buddy Charles, and you are watching Fish Hook Channel. So here's a shot of the inside. It smells really good in here. You like what you're smelling?
Love it.
Love it.
Wanna
All
get
right.
into it now.
So we're going to check out the quality.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not a buffet. Okay, the place is called Juicy Seafood. You can get something fried. They've already laid down the paper because Charles is the messy eater, so they had to lay down paper, right?
Yeah, I'll make a pig of myself here.
All right, so here's some of the stuff you can get: hush puppies, fried cheese sticks, spicy onion rings, raw oysters.
Fried calamari.
Ooh, yum.
That looks like we're going to have that.
We're getting raw oysters.
Oh,
I want lemon and Tabasco. I'm serious. Corn on the cob, potatoes, Cajun fries. Yep. So this is more like a Cajun seafood place with like a crab boil. Get your hands dirty. There you go. They got every type of seafood: blue crab, shrimp, snow crab, shrimp, head on.
Y'all doing all right?
Doing great.
man?
All right, they got seasoning levels here. What seasoning would you like? Cajun garlic butter seasoning, which will probably be my favorite. And juicy special, all of above. And then you got, look at that, juicy special crab legs, fried shrimp basket, steamed oysters. Oh my gosh. Oh, fried. Have you ever had fried oysters?
No.
You've never had fried oysters?
Nope.
You've never gone to a restaurant with me yet, have you?
No.
Oh, you're going to love it. You're going to love it because we're going to order a lot of stuff.
We're going to make a scene out of ourselves.
I'm going to get the raw oysters, and I'm going to get the chicken wings as an appetizer. And then you're going to put
I want
together...
fried calamari as an appetizer.
That's fine. Then you got combos here. Okay, so we're first going to start with...
All right.
With the oysters, and they brought us a bucket in case we get sick.
Everything. Chicken, no.
Okay, we're gonna season this with Tabasco and lemon juice before we eat them.
I'm
So
bringing
let's try that out right now. All right, go ahead and put the lemon juice on first, and then put a splash of. There you go.
And now,
And then the splash of Tabasco.
you like the hot sauce on this?
Yes, you have to. I need you to try it this way,
All right.
and then the rest you can have however you want.
I never did that
But I just
before.
want to put a little bit of Tabasco on each one. Don't eat that seed, by the way.
No,
And
it's gonna be hot.
the juice that's in the shell with the oysters.
You want some
can
of
be-
yours?
Yeah, please.
Look how big these are.
They're
Jackie.
freaking huge. Look at that.
Enjoy it, baby.
Yeah, they call it the liquor. The juice that's in the shell with the oysters called liquor. That's what I heard. Okay,
Well-
so we're gonna have Charles go first. He's never remove that seed so you don't choke on it.
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go.
Nothing like
Try
it.
it out. Here we go.
Down the hatch.
Tell me how that tastes.
Oh, tastes like more.
Does it?
Yes,
And
delicious.
look, you can be sloppy too. Look,
it's
because you
like-
got paper all over the.
So what do we do? Where do we throw
That
this?
bowl's in case you get sick, I guess.
No, these are your vests. No, this
Yeah, I'm
is-
not
this-
putting a bib on. I wear my food.
I bet you do.
Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. You're supposed
That's
to
the
just.
biggest oyster I've ever seen. Can you handle it, Jack? Woo. Dog, look at that. Down the hatch.
My goodness,
That's
that's good though. Oh my god, that's great. Okay, the wings look beautiful. What is that, calamari?
Got 'em on.
Lightly breaded, not heavily
Just the
breaded.
way to make it, too.
Yes, that looks gorgeous. So what do you think?
Oh, man.
So the chicken's good. You like
This
that
is
calamari?
boiling
good.
hot.
I know. That chicken is piping
Very,
hot.
very
piping.
freshly cooked. Everything
Oh
is
my
delicious.
Okay, here's a shot of the catfish. What do you got over here in this balloon?
Ooh, delicious. Garlic butter shrimp.
Okay, so rip that open. I gotta film you eating one. Forgive the light on you. Apologize.
problem.
But man, the food was amazing.
Oh, this is
We have not
very
had anything-
unusual.
You know what? We have not seen anything bad here yet.
And we haven't seen a dish yet.
Arnold Palmer.
Thank you.
And then here's more.
Thank you, sir.
Cheese and ranch.
Thank you.
No problem. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna take a piece of shrimp and try that out.
Okay.
So exciting.
Oh, yes. I eat everything, tail and all.
Oh, you do? You eat the tail?
I'm still alive.
Oh my gosh.
When you eat some
You
little
are my
kid.
hero. I'm gonna eat everything.
I'm carnivorous,
Right,
what
right,
can I
right.
say?
Okay, so how is it?
Oh, it's got a delicious flavor.
Can you taste the garlic?
This is their juicy flavoring, which is a little bit of everything.
So what do you remember what the everything was?
Cajun,
and
with spicy,
lemon pepper,
garlic butter,
it has
lemon
everything
pepper.
in it, right? So if you order your seafood juicy, you'll get everything in it mixed in, and it comes out juicy.
Oh,
Catfish is either good or not good. So we're gonna try that out right now. I love tartar sauce, by the way. Ow, that's hot. That just burned my hand. Everything is hot coming out of the kitchen.
well, they did give us forks, so here.
Yeah, well,
Let me help
I'll
you.
put on the table. I don't care. Oh my goodness. It's so soft, it's like butter. All right, here we go. Oh,
I think we're going to get a thumbs up here.
oh my God.
I feel it coming on.
It's so good. I'm hot. I'm good. I'm hot. All right, dude, what'd you think?
Oh man, juicy seafood is juicy and delicious. It was over the top. First time we experimented and we hit a grand slam.
Was there any criticism at all?
I think the only thing, a very minor, some of the celery wasn't fresh that was on top of the chicken wings, but
Everything
step
was
aside,
clean,
the
right?
chicken wings, you could barely keep them in your mouth. They were so hot and fresh.
Oh, man.
Everything was over the top and unexpectedly in a good way.
Awesome.
Yes.
All
Be
right.
back again.
Okay, guys. All right, there's impressive and then there's surprised. And we hit the level of surprised. The fish was flaky, light. It was delicious. The calamari was great. The sauces were great. The shrimp boiled in butter and garlic. We got it juicy. Boy, was it juicy. It was delicious. Unfortunately, we couldn't eat it all. There's just too much goodness on the table. We love this place. So don't go here because we don't want to wait in line. I'm not trying to get you guys to go here, even though this place rocks. No, you should go here. Show them some love. Tell them you saw it on Fishhook. And we will be reviewing more seafood places. We're going to try all the fish in town. We'll tell you where everything is good. This is in Hermitage, Tennessee. It's called Juicy Seafood. And it is Juicy Seafood. We love you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.